Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our project Basic Learning 221 presentation. I'm Elsa Santoso, and I will be your moderator today. Let me introduce our team. Team leader, he is Dani Yudhisthira. Team member, Terovina Elizabeth Saleki, and Putri Amelin. We're excited to present our project. Let's get started. Role and contribution of each member. The first phase is analysis, general output, specification of each information, request for lesson dari soalan, contribution of each member, lalu Santoso and Terifunial lagi. The second phase is design phase, general output, ER design, database design, system architecture, diagram, HRIS system overview, class diagram, use case diagram, contribution of each member, Putri Amalia and then Yudhisthira. The last phase is implementation phase, general output, front-end UI design, employee data form, and back-end server and database. Contribution of each member, dan Yudhisthira. And the next slide will be looked by Terovina.
Problems identified. Yayasan Darussalam Batam is currently facing several challenges in managing human resource due to the use of manual and integrated process. These issues lead to the inefficiencies, data inaccuracy, and limited transparency. The key problems are 1. Inefficiency attendance tracking. Employee attendance is still recorded using paper forms or Excel sheets, making it difficult to monitor in real time and prone to manipulation or delay. 2. Slow leave application and approval process. If applications are submitted manually and require physical signatures, which leads to delays, miscommunication, and poor documentation. 3. Unstandardized performance evaluation. There is no centralized system to manage employee evaluation, result in inconsistent assessment and a lack of historical performance data. 4. Inaccurate report and data recaps. HR reports such as attendance recaps, leave summaries, and evaluation results are created separately and manually, increasing the risk of error and duplicated data. 5. Limited data access for management. Higher level management, such as the head of foundation, cannot access up-to-date HR data directly and must rely on periodic reports from the HR team. Proposed solution. 1. Multi-role login system. Users log in according to their roles: HR admin, department head, director, or employee. Each role has access to specific features and dashboard. 2. Centralized employee management. Admin can easily add, update, or remove employee record, all of which are saved directly into the system and updated in real time. 3. Digital attendance monitoring. Employee can mark their daily attendance online, and the data is instantly visible to the supervisor or HR staff for monitoring purposes. 4. Online leave application and approval. Employees can submit leave requests through the system. Approvers can review and take action on application, with all decisions being recorded and updated instantly. 5. Structured performance evaluation. Department head can access employees using built-in questionnaires, and the results are stored systematically to support fair and data-driven evaluation. 6. Automated HR report. The system provides exportable report like PDF or Excel for attendance, employee lists, leave record, and evaluation summaries, enabling better reporting and decision-making. Application features. Multi-role login. User can log in into the system by selecting a role according to their position, such as HR admin, head of foundation, or employee. Each role has a different access right and a custom dashboard. Employee data management. HR admin can add, update, or delete employee data. The data includes personal information, job position, work unit, employment status, and more, all stored in centralized system. Employee attendance. Employees can record their check-in and check-out online through the application. Admins or supervisor can monitor attendance history in real time. Leave request and approval. Employees can submit leave, leave request to the system. The request is automatically sent to the supervisor or director for approval, and the result is recorded in the leave history. Performance evaluation. Employees complete self-assessment questionnaires based on the selected evaluation period. The results are stored in the system and used by the HR admin or head of foundation for performance review. HR report and recapitulation. The head of foundation can review summaries of employee performance, attendance, and leave status.
And next is application product. So the first one is login page with multi-role selection. Display the login interface where users select their role as, such as admin, employee, Hello Foundation before accessing the system. Next. Two is dashboard view based on role. After login, users are redirected to their respective dashboard with features tailored to their assigned roles. Three, employee data page, admin HR view. Admins can manage employee records through an interactive table with option to add, edit, or delete data. Next. Four, add new employee form. This form is used by the HR admin to add new employee data into the system. It includes fields such as full name, place, and date of birth, gender, address, phone number, email, department, start date, annual leave quota, and employee quota. When submitted, the new employee will be recorded in the HR database. 5. Employee attendance overview status and history. Displays the employee attendance table with check-in or out times, status such as present or absent, and search filter functionality. Next. 6. Leave application form, employee view. Employees can submit leave requests by selecting leave type, start, and end dates, and providing a reason. 6. Leave request list. Admin view. Admins can review incoming leave requests and take action, approve or reject directly from their interface. Next. 8. Employee performance evaluation form. This page allows employees to select an evaluation period and complete a performance self-assessment based on predefined question. The data is stored and used for periodic reviews by the HR admin or Meta Foundation. Next. And the last one is HR report page. This page displays a summary of employee performance evaluations for a specific period. Head of Foundation can view the total number of employees, how many have completed the assessment, the average score, and a list of top performing employees or those needing attention. And the next will be explained by Echa.
Benefit provided to user. The HR information system of AS Darussalam Batam is designed to provide indirect benefit to all system users, from operational staff to level management. Each role refers specific attribution based on their function and responsibility. The following table summarizes the key benefit experienced by each user of the system. Employee. Employees benefit from the system by being able to perform online attendance with automatic recording, submit leave requests directly through the system without paperwork, and access the personal data as well as view performance evaluation efficiency. HR admin. HR admin can manage employee data quickly and quickly, monitor attendance, leave requests, and performance evaluation in real time, and generate HR report automatically without recording manual input. Head of Foundation. The head of Foundation can view summary report of employee performance, report department, identify the top performing staff and those ending further evaluation, and making strategy decision based on system generate HR data.
Okay, so we on testing plan. Testing plan was carried out to ensure that each feature of the SI information test for Yayasan Darussalam Batam works according to the functional requirement. The testing method is black box testing, which focused on the input and output behavior of the system without inspecting its internal code. The table below presents several main testing scenario used as the basis for validating the system. Uh, and we have the test case name versus login functional, and the second is add new employee or manage data of employee, and the third the test is submit the request. Next. Okay. Uh, moving on the our test result table, we conducted the three tests with the following outcomes. Okay, the first test, the test is passed, login work correctly with the valid credential. So the first is functional login. Okay, the second second is functional of manage data of employee. On this test, we successfully to test admin can successfully input the layaway data, and the third is logout function. The test is passed, logout and session management working properly. Okay, our test conducted on 28 June on 2025. Next.
Implementation of forced learning outcomes in the PBL project. Pemrograman basis data. In this project, we designed the ARD and ERD for the HR system, applied SQL queries for data retrieval, filtering and grouping, and building the HR database using MySQL as the primary database storage. Pemrograman berorientasi objek. We employed object orientation principally as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism in system development, applied the MVC pattern, and design the system structure using UML, basic class diagram. Pendidikan Bahasa Indonesia. We applied our Indonesian language skill by preparing a formal and well-structured final report, creating as user manual for the HR system in the clear and user-friendly language, and developing presentation using systematic and professional language. Pengantar Management Project. We planned the HR system development project from development analysis to implementation with VBS and GNet chart for project scheduling and preparing budget estimating and project performance report. Perancangan perangkat lunak, we design use case diagram, activity diagram, and database structure using AML, and development workflow design align in with user need and the overall structure of the HR information system. Statistica, we apply the directive statistic to analysis HR data, use linear regression to reflect trends, and complete analytics report to support managerial design making based on HR performing indicator. Structure data in the project, we implement the default first in, first out data structure concept in manage the employee leave request pre. The system process leave request based on subsection order, ensuring that early requests are handled first in a her and effective manner.
Result and conclusion. Our best human resource information system has been successfully developed for Yayasan Darussalam Batam. The system includes features such as multi-role login, employee data management, online attendance, leave request, self-assessment for performance evaluation, and HR reporting. All core features were tested using the black box testing method and performing according to the functional requirement. The system can be used efficiently and in real time by employees, HR admin, and the head of foundation. The development of this HR information system provides an integrated digital solution for Yayasan Darussalam Batam in managing its human resource. With the system, personal administration process become faster, more transparent, and well documented. In addition, the system also promotes work efficiency and support data-driven decision making.
That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and feedback. Have a great day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.